Good morning, campers. This is the first video of showing how I'm going from ice cars to electric cars. And the first step is to get electricity into your garage. My garage and my electricity is all the way over here on that wall. Over on that wall. So, since I can't go through the ceiling, I have to go through the grass. The point of this video is to show you that water pipes and cable lines are in your way while you dig up. Oh, also tree trunks. Trees, trunks, more pipes, cement, and then there's another wall that goes into, yeah. So when you're flat broke and you don't have money for an electrician or a good electrician to put it all together, you do it yourself with your 99-cent tools like this. So this has to be 18 inches deep. Your water pipe is 12 inches deep. Your cable line is supposed to be 2 feet deep, but they're full of it. They made it maybe 2 feet deep, this cable line, even though they told me it was 2 feet deep. So anyway, that's the beginning. This is going to be a long journey on how to get off your ice car into electric car, even if you live in the middle of nowhere, California, like I do. So, yeah, welcome to hell. And then the electricity will go through here and into the garage onto the wall. We're going to put in pretty much a dryer outlet. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. A dryer outlet, 1450, I guess they call it. 240 volts, 32 amps, or maybe 16 amps, whatever the electrician wants to do. Yeah, like I said, cheap electrician, saving money on having somebody come up and dig this. I do it myself. $200 to dig it, and they would have hit the lines, they would have busted the lines, they would have busted the water. So I'm doing it myself. This channel is called EV for Donkeys, because I am a donkey and I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it. Why not? All right? You only live once. All right? So come along with the journey. This should be fun. We'll see what happens.